Hello friends and welcome back to the TechRegen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Minisforum new G7 Ti mini PC. So friend, Minisforum has announced new G7 Ti mini PC, a marvel of engineering, designed specifically for professional in AI development, video rendering, 3D design, and AI driver creator field. So friend, the compact Mini PC is powered by Intel Core i9-14900HX processor, delivering desktop-level performance at compact unit. And the G7 Ti Mini PC features the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, which offers superior graphics performance for AI-driven tasks, 3D rendering, and video production, and the GPU accelerate AI algorithm and handle complex 3D module with high precision, making it ideal for professionals requiring real-time editing and rendering capabilities. So, friend, a mini PC is comes with in barebone and onboard offering with the latter of giving consumer the option to choose a 32 GB and 1 TB configuration and the AtomMan G7 Ti and G7 Ti SE mini PC support DDR5 5600 MHz in dual channel and 4 storage, and they are equipped with 2 into PCI 4.0 SSD slot and SD card reader slot as well. So memory and storage expansion want to be a issue here is optional for the bare bone configuration. So friends, it support for Wi-Fi 7 and dedicated RJ45 port allowing 2.5G LAN connection. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.